So today we're going to try using Monty Miracle to clean the garden path. So to test how good and easy it is, I've given it to a teenager who has never cleaned a path before. So let's see what happens. It's been quite wet recently, so he's not going to wet the area. He's just going to sweep away the debris. First time he's used a brush. Now he's going to spray on the Monty Miracle.
Applying Monty's cleaner was simple, easy and effective. Watch as the grime and dirt simply vanishes like a miracle. What would usually take back-breaking work to scrub off is gone in as easy as 1, 2, 3. Applying the final bits of Monty Cleaner. Almost done.
Now we can sit down and relax for about 10 minutes. That he can do. Now rinse it off.
Hose off Monty's cleaner and watch as the grime simply vanish. As you can see, the clear difference before and after. Gone, almost like magic, but better.
So for a first attempt, the results are great. Now for the rest of the house. Hang on. Wait, where's he gone? Oliver!
Very funny. Monty's Miracles. So easy, even a teenager can do it.